This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by K. Alexander. Mountain View Mini Farm on 5 acres. A 3-bedroom/2-bath brick home located outside of city limits features a detached 2-car garage and a workshop, a large unique storm shelter, beautifully landscaped, and a fenced backyard. The 5-acre property is fully fenced and improved with a 2-stall horse barn. Large covered RV parking with pad provides excellent storage for your RV or equipment. Enjoy the breathtaking mountain views and peaceful country living while being just minutes from town. A great opportunity for horse lovers, hobby farmer, or anyone seeking space and privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact K. Alexander at 479-264-7778.